am free to live my life again. What's up guys? Happy Monday and happy Vlogmas day 14. Today is the day I'm pretty sure my life goes back to normal and I'm so excited. Just finished packing orders and I didn't feel like vlogging yesterday, so I'm just gonna film a Q&A to go up in place of the vlog that should have went up today for yesterday's Vlogmas, and I accidentally put 14. So I'm at Vlogmas day 13 because obviously I'm vlogging today. So I'll give it a few hours, that way some questions can come in. Drinking my chai. I actually thought about making coffee today and I might make a coffee later and just see what happens, but I haven't been craving it. I just like am enjoying my chais, but at the same time I feel like it's time for a coffee. It's Monday morning, like productivity. In the meantime, I think I'm going to rearrange my office a little bit. I don't think I ever even showed you guys like what I did, but I basically pulled my desk out from the wall and flipped it around so that way I could have like a little nook where I like walk into it, but I kind of want to change it to where I flip it this way, or wait, that way, so that way the nook, like you walk in and around that way. I don't know if I'm making sense right now. Let's just start rearranging. Okay, I straightened up a little bit and I just moved my desk over here. That's pretty much it. I don't know, I honestly just cannot find an office layout that I'm gonna stick with, clearly. I still have my vanity over there. I didn't really know what to do with this lamp thing, so I just put it there. But yeah, here's my little office nook for the time being. I'm interrupting the vlog really quick to thank Cricut for sponsoring today's video. You guys, I am so excited that this is now the second time that I'm working with Cricut, a brand that I love so much. You guys, they have the coolest machines. You can make so many awesome DIY projects. And today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I'm making a really special gift for Chad for Christmas this year. So I first just wanna jump in and tell you guys about the machine that I'm using for this DIY project. This is the Cricut Joy machine, and this little thing can do so much. And I think my favorite part about it is the fact that you can make so many quick and easy DIY projects, and it's such a small device that takes up virtually no room. So I feel like this is a perfect device for everyone to have. So I'll be using my Cricut Joy for this, as well as this little plaque of wood that is just going to be perfect. I'm making Chad a plaque that says his last name on it, and I'm going to put a firefighter emblem in the middle of his last name. I'll kind of show you guys what I'm doing in the design space. Of course, I have a standard grip, and this is a brand new one, so I'm very excited to use it. There's like no better feeling than a fresh grip when you're using your Cricut. Cricut was kind enough to send me lots of materials to choose from when doing this DIY project, but I wanted to keep this quick and simple for you guys. We are slowly approaching the holidays, and if you need a last minute gift, this is perfect. So all you're gonna need is some smart vinyl. I'm gonna be using black for this. Some Cricut Joy pens. This is how I'm going to draw the fire emblem as part of the design. And then of course some Mod Podge to seal it all together. So the first thing I'm doing is just measuring the surface that I'm going to put the vinyl lettering on, because you wanna make sure that you space out the letters correctly and that you choose the right size. So this is about 11 inches long. And then I'm gonna go ahead and count the number of letters and just kind of make sure that I choose the right size for the letters before I get started in the design space. So I am on the Cricut design space now, and I'm gonna go ahead and add the text. So I'm gonna be writing Chad's last name for this vinyl, and his last name is Moore. So it's 5 letters, and I've already measured it out for each letter to be about 2 inches, so it'll fit on that wooden plaque. So one of the really cool things about the Cricut design space is they have so many images for you to use in your project, and I thought I would use one of these logos to replace one of the letters in his last name. I think that would just be a cool personal touch to kind of make it related to his career. So I think I'm just gonna use this one here. I like this one. So I have my mat here, and I just went ahead and cut a piece of the black vinyl, and now I'm gonna adhere it to the mat. Finished applying the transfer tape to the vinyl letters, and to be completely honest with you guys, I didn't really like how the fire logo turned out. I think it's because of the one that I picked. I feel like it looked better in red, but because I'm not adding in a bunch of color to this, I feel like this one just looks kind of like juvenile looking. So I decided to use some of my printable clear sticker paper from Cricut and print a different design. And I went ahead and printed this one, and I think it looks so much better. So I'm gonna go ahead and start attaching it to the wood. Okay, so I just got finished, and here is what the final product looks like. I think it turned out really good. He's gonna love to hang this on the wall, probably like above the dresser in our bedroom. It's so cool. The only thing that I have left to do is just coat it in some Mod Podge so it kind of seals the vinyl down, but I'm actually gonna worry about that a little bit later. So as you guys could see from this little project alone, using the Cricut machine is so easy, and there is so much you can do with it. There are just so many possibilities. You can literally just go on Pinterest and your mind will be blown with how many different things you can do with the Cricut. So I just one last time want to sincerely thank Cricut for sponsoring my video. I am so excited to be working with them again, and if you guys want to check out the machine that I used or any of the products, I will have them all linked in the description. And now we'll get back to the vlog. It is 1 o'clock now, and I just ate some leftovers for lunch, and now I am just sitting here on my iPad just working on some stuff. I actually have some really exciting news. I am launching something in January that's gonna be really exciting, and it's something completely separate from Sun Bunny, but no, I'm not stopping Sun Bunny. Sun Bunny is my life. Sun Bunny will still continue, but this will be in addition to Sun Bunny, and I am so excited. I literally just wanna tell you guys right now, but I can't tell you. Guys, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. A bunch of new inventory came in, and this is stuff. We got some sage tie-dye tops, this stuff for like New Year's, even though nobody's gonna be doing anything. These really pretty satin nude tops. These are more of the Melissa sweater that did so well, so I ordered them in pink too, and this looks like so pretty. It's very like muted. I'm also in a really good mood right now because Chad and I just got official confirmation that our quarantine is over. He is going back to work tomorrow. I spoke with my doctor today, and I am free to live my life again, and I am literally so excited. I don't have anything planned, but tomorrow, we're gonna leave the house. The new camera has arrived. So many of you guys were asking me which one I decided to go with, and I got the M200 because it is the most compact vlogging camera that has the qualities that I want. Guys, it is beautiful and it's white. Flip up screen, very, very cute. And now we wait. This is gonna feel like all day for me. On another note, I might be going and getting my hair done tomorrow. I text Tracy, my hairstylist, and asked her when she'd be able to get me in, and she has been so busy. Like right before the holidays, hairstylists are really, really busy because everybody wants to get their hair done for the holiday. So I was just texting her thinking, you know, it would probably be a little bit before I could get in, and she told me she had a cancellation for tomorrow morning and I could come in tomorrow morning. So I'm going to get my hair done, and I am having it dyed dark brown. And if I'm lucky and my hair extensions come in, I'm gonna have her do my hair extensions, and I'm gonna have longer, thicker hair, and I'm so excited. I was not anticipating this happening so fast, but it just worked out, so I guess it was meant to be. Much later now, and I thought I would show you guys what I'm eating for dinner tonight. We're having asparagus, salmon, and quinoa. Camera finally finished charging. It took forever, but I'm not really mad about it because this thing's battery is a big one, so it lasts so much longer than my current camera. But I figured since I'm just about to end this vlog anyway, I'll just wait and start filming with this tomorrow. So we'll see how that footage looks in tomorrow's vlog. But I am gonna go ahead and end this here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video.